time and speed. In time and speed, we are going to focus our attention on time. Now, remember, there are two perspectives of time. There's time is read in 12-hour clock system and also in 24-hour clock system. Now, time taken, the time an activity takes depends on when it started and when it ends. And therefore, to find the duration of time, we say end of that activity, take away the start of that activity. Now, for example, let's look at this. A baby sleeps at 9:30 in the night and wakes up at 5 o'clock in the morning. How long does this baby sleep? To get that, we must know the time the baby sleeps. The baby sleeps at 9 p.m., that is in the night, and wakes up at 5 a.m., that is in the morning. Remember and note that it's important that when we are subtracting or adding time, we need to convert this time, the 12-hour clock system, into 24-hour clock system. And therefore, very quickly, for us to convert PM into 24-hour clock system, we add 12 hours to 9, and therefore that will give us about 21:30 hours. And then convert this. Time in AM does not change, neither do we add 12 hours, therefore it remains the same. However, it has to be in 4 figures, that is 0500. Note that time in AM does not change. It has to be in 4 figures, especially if it is in 3 digits, except for 10, 11, and 12. Now, having had it this way, now we ask ourselves, the baby slept or ended the sleeping at 5, and therefore we write 0500 hours, take away the time the activity started, and that is 21:30. When you look at this, you wonder, am I going to be able to subtract this? Now, it's very easy. What you do, first of all, you note where we have the minutes. 00 take away 30 is impossible, so what we do, we borrow an hour from 05, and therefore this will be 04. We bring that at 1 hour, which is equivalent to 60 minutes, and then we subtract 60 take away 30 is actually 30 minutes. Then 04 take away 21 looks like it's impossible, but you remember the borrowing? Yes, you borrow. Now from the hours, the next unit of time is actually a day. So what you do, you borrow from a day, which is equivalent to 24 hours, and you add to 04, and that will give you 28. So what is 28 hours? Take away 21 hours. That will be roughly 7 hours if your subtraction is right. Therefore, the time taken for the baby to sleep is 7 hours and 30 minutes, or 7.5 hours. If you say that, you guessed right.